So tell you goodbye, 'cause I might no matter what. So set the bar down before the moment flies.
Hello beautiful babes, and welcome back into Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am Sweet Angel, and today's video is about the LA Girl glazed lip paints. Let's get right into the video and talk about what I got on my lips. Now these are my 6 glazed lip paints from LA Girl. They come in 18 beautiful shades for every kind of girl. Listen, the 6 that I picked out are the 6 that I would normally wear and rock. So let's talk about these lipsticks. These LA Girl glazed lip paints come in 18 beautiful shades. Now I picked out the shades that I thought would work best for me, and I'm wearing one right now, and we're going to get all into what these lip glosses are all about, okay? And I'll call them glosses or glazes, or they end up subsequently being lipsticks. So let's talk about them. Now here is the cute and very, very festive tube they come in. And they come in a nice little squeezy tube. There is a gold top on them. And the top here, or the tip, is actually not, unlike some of the other ones, a sponge. It is simply a piece of plastic with a hole, and you squeeze and apply them to your lips. Now I remember those from back in the day, the little lip glosses you used to get. Now that's the one thing I don't like about them. Now of course the price is $3. I got mine at Fred's. I walked in and bam, they were sitting there as I walked through the door, so I definitely had an attraction to them. However, on the website, they are $4. So when you go to LA Girl, they're $4, and probably at your local beauty store or Fred's, you can get them for $3. So again, packaging is cute, $3, great price. Now let's talk about the product itself. These products, yes, they are everything they proclaim to be. They are a gloss and a lipstick pretty much all in one. As the gloss wears off, you're still left with quite a bit pigmentation that's left from the actual color of the product. Now the one that I'm wearing, I believe this one is Seduce, and it is true to the shade. The tube and the lips are the same color. So if you're picking up the one that you think is best for you, check out the tube. It is definitely the color that will be coming out of the tube. Now this pink color here, I believe the name of it is Tease. Now this is the only one that I have that actually has a little shimmer in it. Not a whole lot, but when you wipe it off of your lips, you will see the fine little pieces on your lips of the shimmer. So be aware of that. Now, my overall impression of these lipsticks, super, super great. I love them. The only trouble I had was with applying them because it was a little bit difficult for me. As you can see by this clip, I was trying to figure it all out, trying to see how to do what I need to do to get this on my lips. So that does take a little time. So be mindful that you may not be able to do this without a mirror, okay? So as I stated earlier, let's go ahead and do those lip swatches, let you check them out, and I will be back for a recap. I hope you enjoyed those lip swatches. Now when it comes to LA Girl, they're always raising the bar, doing something great and innovative for a super great price. $3 is what you pay for these beautiful shades, very pigmented. They have a very light minty scent, and you can feel a little tingle on your lips. I like that. That lets me know I got it on and I'm rocking it and I'm wearing it. So if you're a girl that likes pigmented lip glosses, something that'll stay on for a long time. $3, babies, this is what you pay for this, and they are well worth it and then some. So I recommend that you go out and get you some. They're a great buy. Listen, I have enjoyed wearing these. I actually wore them for all day, every day, all this week, and I have been enjoying them so much. I say they're a great buy. I think LA Girl did really, really great with this product. So if you have any questions, any comments, hit me down below. I'll be glad to respond to you, babes. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, and I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for tuning in every chance you get. I love you. I do. So until next time, babes, take care of yourself. And in the meantime and in between time, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you know what?
Share me with your world.
Take care for now. See ya.
And always keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous.